Alright, so I just heated my engine. I don't know if you can tell, but it's like a bit smoking right now. And I heated it with the this heat gun about this close. And I had my temperature gauge here, of course, and I was reading it. It's already back down to 180, 170, 170. It was over 210 degrees Fahrenheit. And I just took it just to see, and I tapped it on the side here, and ta-da, there's the fucking bearing. Because I've been on this bearing for the past, I don't know, the past hour or so, trying to get it out of there. So now I got to order these two bearings, clean up the entire engine, everything that goes with it, and reassemble, and I should have a brand new motor. After rebuilding the engine, I was able to get it going again. I think it's running a bit rich though. Yeah, it's running a bit rich, got a smoke, but got it going, it's working.